Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Xero for accurate property accounting and reports, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Xero for accurate property accounting and reports, begin by logging into your Xero account. Navigate to the dashboard and select the organization you want to work with. Click on the Accounting tab located in the top menu. From the drop-down, select Advanced. Now, locate the section labeled Import and Export. Ensure that you're Next, access the Chart of Accounts. Review the existing accounts and create new ones if necessary. Click on Add Account to set up specific accounts for property income and expenses. Make sure to categorize these accounts appropriately for easy tracking. After setting up your accounts, proceed to the Settings menu. Select Invoice Settings and customize your invoices for property management. Ensure that your payment terms align with industry standards. Now, go to the Items section under the Accounting tab. Add items for property-related fees and charges. Assign these items to the correct accounts you created earlier. Next, navigate to the Bank Accounts section. Connect your bank accounts to Xero for seamless transactions. Follow the prompts to complete the bank connection process. Once your bank accounts are linked, go to the Reports tab. Select Performance to access financial performance reports. Customize the report settings to focus on property accounting metrics. Run preview reports to ensure accuracy in the data reflected. For ongoing monitoring, set up recurring transactions for rental income. Return to the dashboard to review your financial health regularly. Utilize Xero's mobile app for on-the-go access to your accounts. Periodic reviews will help capture any discrepancies. Engage with Xero's support resources for any further assistance. This concludes the full guide on enabling Xero for accurate property accounting and reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.